Hello everyone, my name is Jared and I'm the Repair Center Manager at BARTEC US. Today, I would like to talk to you about a great communication tool that we have recently launched for hazardous areas in collaboration with our partner Zebra Technology. Customers who already have deployed BARTEC devices often ask us, how can they improve communication between their workforces? Well, the answer lays already in your hand. PTT Pro connects your workforce with enterprise-class instant PTT and secure messaging services. It supports text, images, audio, and video, regardless of whether users are carrying a BARTEC mobile device, such as a TC75X, the MC93, or an Agile tablet in hazardous areas, or their own Android or iOS mobile devices in non-EX areas. And stay connected wherever you are. PTT Pro supports you with Wi-Fi and wireless wide area network. Okay, let's take a closer look on the application. On the first page, I have a list of contacts. The ones with green dots are currently online. I can choose one contact and start a conversation. Let me show you how I can contact one of the people on the list. Testing 1, 2. Now, you can send a group message this way as well.
Yes, Jared.
See how easy that was? Thank you. So, you can also create a group this way as well. So let me show you how to create a group. Hit the 3 dots, create a group. Let's do a personal group. Let's name the group BARTEC US. And then it shows you a list of contacts you can add to that group. So the one that's online already, let's add that person to group, BARTEC 24. And as you can see, the group was created. Now you can send a text message to that group, or you can send a PTT call to the whole group at one time. And as you can see, you can have attachments as well. So attachment, you can send an image, if you have an image already saved, or you can take a picture and a photo of where you're at to actually display that information. So let's just send a testing message. So the message gets sent to the whole group. Also, you can also do location. As you can see on the map, it shows you the location of other people that are online at the time. You can click on that contact to see who's in their area. And that way you can send them a call, you can voice chat them, or you can just send them a message as well, or you can navigate to them. As you can see, it's a powerful tool. Now remember, all BARTEC Android and Windows mobile devices can be used with PTT Pro app. If you have any questions or you want to get in contact with us, please go to www.bartecmobility.com. My name is Jared. I'm the Repair Center Manager at BARTEC US, and thank you for watching this video.